Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Digital Comic World. Here is the story about friendship with nature. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Raghav. He was always worried about that he had no friends. All the classmates were always kidding him, and his teacher also ignored him. One day, his mother told him to plant some saplings and help some stray dogs and cats. But he was not interested in it and he ignored them. And the next morning, his science teacher saw him very sad and worried about something. After the class, his science teacher called him. What happened? Why are you sad? He told that he had no friends and everyone started kidding him. But his science teacher told him that he would have more friends and they could not talk like humans, but he could feel what they say. The teacher showed his friends and he was so excited and speechless. After the school, he went home and called his mother. He happily planted a sapling in the backyard. Raghav and his mother fed the stray dogs and cats. His mother enjoyed with him. Moral: friendship is not only with humans, it can also be with nature. Thank you. If you like this story, give a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. We will meet with a new story.